HeyGen AI tutorial. Hey there, are you looking for a powerful tool to create AI generated videos effortlessly? Meet HeyGen AI, the ultimate platform for creating professional looking videos in just minutes. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, HeyGen is here to revolutionize your video creation process. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about HeyGen AI, how to create stunning videos, customize them, and maximize their potential for your needs. Let's jump right in. Now, before we head over to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, from here, I'll go ahead and tell you what is HeyGen AI. Now, HeyGen is an advanced AI-powered video creation platform. It allows you to create videos with realistic AI-generated avatars, customized script, voiceover, and animations. Use template to make the process fast and efficient. Whether you're creating explainer videos, training content, or social media ads, HeyGen makes it simple and professional. Now basically you want to head over to their official website, which is heygen.com, HEYGEN.com. From here you will be able to create your own account by clicking on the sign up for free button. So just go ahead and click on this button right here. You will then be prompted to this page where you can sign up for your Google account, Apple account, or your own email. So I'll just go ahead and click on my Google right here to make my own account. Right after creating your account, you will then be prompted to your own dashboard. From here, you want to go ahead and click on the I agree button, click on continue, and now we can go ahead and create our own videos. From here, you have something like home, project, templates, avatar, your own AI voices that you can go ahead and customize or download. You have your brands, you have your own uploads tab, and more. Now to get started, you want to navigate through the create video section right here, and it will ask you if you want to create an avatar video. Create videos using lifelike avatars that read your script with a natural voice. Or if you want a video translation, you can translate video with lip sync while retaining the speaker's original voice. Now let's go ahead and click on the avatar video right here, because this is one of their most advanced feature on HeyGen. Right after that, we can now go ahead and start selecting our resolution. You have your portrait and you have your landscape. Let's go ahead and select landscape right here. And right after, we are now inside the video editor page. In here, you can basically go ahead and create your own avatar, or if you scroll down, you can go ahead and select one if you don't want to create your own. Now to explore the features of this website, let's navigate through the avatar creation tool, and from here you simply want to click on get started. In here we have our instruction. You can go ahead and choose an avatar style. You have your still, or you have the motion avatar. Let's just go ahead and select still avatar right here. Right after that, you can go ahead and choose between these options if you prefer a video instruction or you prefer a text instruction. To make things easier, I'll click on the text instruction. In here you have your instructions for the recommended ones, and you have things to avoid. You have to submit 2 to 5 minutes of footage. It is required. Use a high resolution camera. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. Look directly into camera. Pause between each sentence with your mouth closed, and use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Now you basically want to avoid stitched out or cut footage, talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, shadow on or overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gesture above the chest, and lastly use of pointing gesture. From there you can go ahead and navigate through the next step. And right after, you can basically go ahead and upload your own video, or you can go ahead and record with a webcam. From there, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on I agree with the consent, and you will be able to create your own avatar. Now basically, once you have uploaded your own avatar, You can now go ahead and navigate through script. Inside script, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. And here we have a simple generic script. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. Now, if you want to listen to your script right here, you can just go ahead and press the play button.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Basically, in here, you can just go ahead and type your own script. And moving forward, we have our text editor or our text animation tool. You can go ahead and import text just like inside video editing tools like CapCut, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Premiere, and more. So let's just go ahead and say that I want to add some text inside my video. I can just go ahead and drag it inside my video aspect ratio, and I can just go ahead and edit this if I want to. Now moving forward, we are inside elements. If you want to add your own logo, you can just go ahead and put it right here. Type your name with the text tool, and you should be good to go. And lastly, we have assets. Just go ahead and click on upload asset or screen recording if you want to add your own brand kits right here. And of course, if you want to make everything easier, you can then go ahead and select one of their templates. In here you have categories like advertisement, e-commerce, learning and development, explainer videos, and more. And so with our video right here edited, you can just go ahead and click on submit. Customize the properties based on your liking, and from there we can now go ahead and click on submit. Basically, the text that we have entered on this script category will be synced into our video AI right here, or the video AI avatar. So let's just go ahead and wait for this video to generate. And so with our video generated, let's go ahead and preview the result.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
And so, as you can go ahead and see, it has managed to do its job perfectly. Now take note that you can go ahead and customize the AI voice if you want to. I've just used the default voice right here, so maybe it sounds a little bit junky. But of course, you can go ahead and upload your own voice if you want to go ahead and do that. From here, we have our own logos, our elements, our text, and basically we can now go ahead and download this video. To do so, you simply want to click on the download button, select your resolution, and click on download. You can also go ahead and select the caption if you want to download the SRT file or the subtitle file for your video generated right here. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.